What is going on, you guys? Let me turn this off. What is going on, you guys? Marco Gianelli here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing some reacting to Shiba Inu and the Robinhood thing. I didn't really plan for this video. I'm just going to be talking about it and what I think is going to happen moving forward here with this. It's pretty interesting. I don't know if there's going to be anything major coming from this, although we will dive more into it and see, what we can expect moving forward. So first thing I just want to talk about real quick is if we just pull this up. If you guys saw today, Robinhood announced that they were going to start allowing trading of Shiba Inu. Now, I always kind of knew this day was going to come. I knew they were going to eventually allow Shiba Inu to come on the platform because of they're collecting money off every trade. It just makes sense that is something Robinhood would do. Now, the timing of it, I'm just trying to figure out if there's a reason for it. If you guys have been following Robinhood stock too, by the way, it has been getting killed. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. This thing has been getting sent. I've really never seen a stock act like this in a long time. I mean, I have, but it's a bit weird. So we have the Robinhood, daily chart pulled up here, and like, what? I mean, this thing released in August and hasn't seen a green day in years. It's astonishing. I'm kind of ready to kind of go in on this play here, I think. Anyway, if we pull up a chart, we're gonna just draw the trend line it's in. It's in this trend line. A break of this trend line would obviously send this price higher. Here, I haven't checked the short interest report on this either, so I'm just trying to figure out. I don't know why Robinhood's doing this now. I really don't know what their reason could be. I'm just trying to give you guys a video talking about it, giving you my opinion on it and what I think is going on. Although we do see Robinhood was severely oversold here, and this RSI is diverging intently. So I know this video was more about Shiba Inu, but I'm going to tell you guys this right now. Keep an eye on Hood moving forward here. We are starting to see some volume come back into this stock. This RSI is diverging like a madman. As you see, we keep going down. RSI keeps going up. Hood could possibly make it could make a massive move. Like I said, I don't know the short interest on this thing yet. I don't know what I see is accurate half the time when I look at short interest reports. So I don't know. But with that being said, it's interesting now after how hard the stock's diverging that they're deciding to announce it. I don't know what the reason could be. But I think it's interesting. Now, for Shiba Inu, let's talk about that real quick. I was into Shiba for a little bit. I made a little bit of money off it. I don't know what the future holds. I'm a big believer in crypto. I believe there's a massive, massive future for crypto. I think the sky's the limit for crypto. I just don't know about this coin. The one thing I will say that's very, very interesting though with this is that we were coming down to this hard support level the day they announced this on the daily charts. What? I mean, I don't know if this is planned, but it seems like it's almost like a move here to, increase both Shiba and Robinhood at very key levels kind of for the stock and in the crypto. Now, Shiba is also in this down channel. Let me draw it out real quick. It's kind of in something like this. It did break out of this channel. So it will be interesting to see what we get from it moving forward, if it's going to keep going higher. And like I said, it's really cool too, guys, is the volume is way down on this thing. If you see, it was way up here. Volume is tapering off. So maybe it's time for a bull run for Shiba Inu to new highs. I don't know. I mean, I don't think a lot of people really know what this in Dogecoin. I don't think they're still relevant as they once were. I could be wrong, but I don't think. But it's cool to see how they're doing this now when they're both at these pretty big inflection points of the company. Yeah, guys. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video, pretty short and sweet, just to talk about this, and I kind of want to gather some opinions from what you guys are thinking of it, because I honestly don't really know either what's going on with that. Like I said, it could be a move to make some quick money here for Robinhood and Shiba. Although, I don't know, Robinhood stock, keep your eye out on that one. That is the one I'm telling you guys about. I don't even know what I'm going to title this video, but that is the play you need to keep your eye on, because like I said, that divergence on Robinhood is looking very good. Maybe some calls, maybe some weeklies, maybe some. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna get into, but it should be interesting to see moving forward, guys. With that being said, also, I wanted to let you guys know that I am getting back into my YouTube channel now. I finally graduated. I have a lot of time dedicated to making new content. Also on TikTok, just posting a whole bunch of different things. I don't really know where I'm going, with this whole the finance thing. I'm gonna keep posting content, keep putting stuff out. I'm gonna be very consistent with it, and just keep, trying to help you guys out, keep it entertaining, keep it fun, and not be too serious about it. So let's have a good time, guys. If you guys like what you saw too, let me know down in the comments below. It helps me out a lot. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll leave my TikTok. That's where the action's been going down at. So let me know what you guys think about this too. Why do you think Robinhood and Shiba decided to do this right now? And with that being said, guys, I hope you have a glorious day. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.